Hey, it's Laura here from E-commerce Boss Babes, and today I'm going to show you a behind-the-scenes video on how to use Helium10 as a tool to grow your e-commerce business. I love Helium10. I use it for a lot of different parts of my business and for a lot of my clients' businesses. From product research, product validation, to listing creation, keyword research. I mean, really for all those components that are really, really essential, especially if you want to be selling successfully on Amazon. That's where I use Helium10 for. So let's not waste any time. Let's go and have a look at Helium10 and why that tool is so wonderful. Here we are. This is the Helium10 dashboard. And here you have all those different tools that are within the Helium10 included. There are quite a few different tools, and I know that as someone who's just beginning, this might be a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry. This is not something that you will need for the beginning. And when you're just getting started and you're just wanting to do some simple product research, there are two wonderful tools here to do that. One is Blackbox and the other one is Magnet 2. Let's start with Blackbox. Okay, so now I'm inside my Helium10 account. This is the dashboard and it shows all the different tools that are within the Helium10 software. You will see there are a lot of amazing tools, and which is why I love this software, because it's an all-in-one software. I don't have to go all over the place with all different softwares to use. I simply just use this for almost everything that I'm doing. One thing that many don't know is that Helium10 actually has their own course on how to start a private label product, and it's called Freedom Ticket. And Freedom Ticket is included for free for those that pay for the monthly subscription. So if you're just getting started, you're just in the process of finding some products and so on. I know that there are like all these different courses that you could be joining all around. I myself do have a coaching program as well. However, there is this free course within Helium10 that can be really of interest, especially to get started. And then later on, if you need a bit more hand-holding, you need a bit more feedback, you need a bit more support there, you can always go then for a group coaching program where you get a bit more hands-on support. But to get started, this is a wonderful free course that you can be using. I highly recommend it. Okay, so let's go to my favorite tool within Helium10, which is Magnet 2. And in a moment, I'm going to be telling you why I love this tool so much. It is a keyword research tool, but for me, it's so much more than that, because Magnet gives me eyes into what people are searching for. And if you understand the concept that Amazon is basically a search engine, and in order to be able to succeed on Amazon, we need to know what people are searching for. This tool gives us exactly that, which is why I love it. When I first started with Amazon, I didn't have this tool. So back then, it was a bit more difficult to figure out how many people are searching for something or what people are searching for. Now with tools like this, it has become really, really easy to figure out what people are searching for. So let's get started. Let's type in a niche and find what people are searching for within that niche. In our last niche selection exercise, I selected the niche Reiki supplies. Now let's go and see what people are searching for within Reiki supplies. Once you put in the keyword up here, you can just press get keywords, and Helium10 is going to show you a ton of different keywords that are related to that keyword that you have put in the search bar. And here we are. We see that Reiki supplies specifically are searched 4,695 times. And when we scroll down, we see that there is a total of 10,000 related keywords. Let's now sort that out a little bit, because we don't want to be searching for keywords that might have just 51 searches a month. We are going to be looking at keywords that have at least 1,000 searches. So let's look at a minimum search of 1,000. Let's see how that is going to change already. The keywords that are shown to us. Now we have 900 out of those 10,000. That might still be a bit too much for us. Let's now look at products that have less than 3,000 competing products. We are still at 600, so let's go further down here as well. Let's look at products that have less than 1,000 competing products. We're putting a very simple filter to start with. At some point when we do further product research, we would be wanting to put a few more filters in there, but just to get started and to get a good sense of what is in a niche and what product possibilities and opportunities are within a niche, this is a great point to start with. So let's see what people are searching for. We see reflexology mat. Let's look at that. This is something that people are searching for. Interesting. Here with Helium10, we get a few different information. We get the search volume a month, so it's around 1,000 a month that's searching for it. We can see the search volume history as well within the last year. The search volume has gone up during the Christmas time, and it went down during the year, and now it's going up again during Christmas time. We can then here sort by search volume as well, looking for those that have been searched the most for, like tea infuser, witchcraft supplies are being searched for a lot. Massage table, candle wax, soy wax, sage, smudge kit, crystals for witchcraft. I mean, we do have a lot of different products that are being searched for. When we do look at what comes out of Helium10 with the filters that we have put in, we can see that we get a lot of great insight into a niche and see different things that are related to the keyword, sometimes not too related. I mean, it is still a machine, it's not a human sorting through this, but it is an algorithm that does sort through this. But we do get a lot of great insight. So here we do see a lot of other products. We see the search volume, we see the competing products, and get a very good understanding and some inspiration for products that we would have maybe not thought of without this tool. That's why I really, really like this tool, because it allows us to go really in depth into what people are searching for. And when we know what people are searching for, we can then see what the current situation is like, what are the competitors there, can we add some value, can we then bring new products on the market that could compete with that and satisfy what the customer is searching for. So because in the end of the day, it's all a supply and demand game, and we want to make sure that we can supply to something that is in demand. When we look through this list, we see that there are so many different products that are being searched for quite a bit without having that many products offered. It's a great way to find product ideas and inspirations quite quickly, and then go further in depth to see if those ideas can be validated or not. So let's look at that smokeless ashtray. We see that 7,000 people have been searching for it. We can look at, is this something that people search for throughout the year? We see a spike during Christmas time, but still the whole year people are searching for those products with a slight, well, there's a Christmas up, of course, with most products. Okay, that's one of the many reasons I really enjoyed this tool because it truly allows us to get great insight. And yeah, have a try, look around a bit, find some different products, and see if you can, within a niche that you have selected, find some different products that are sparking your interest and might make sense to look further into and even maybe to invest into. Have a beautiful week, everyone, and I wish you all the best with your e-commerce business. Subscribe if you like this video, and if you would like to watch similar videos, like this video, ask your questions in the comment, and I will see you very soon.